everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, it's because you're ready to learn how to make money online and discover the incredible power of affiliate mentor team bonuses. Today's video, affiliate mentor team bonuses, is going to break down everything you need to know about the affiliate mentor system, how it can transform your online income. I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage this system from the basics of affiliate marketing to uncovering the $15,000 in team exclusive bonuses that are exclusively available to our team. Make sure to stick around to the end because I'm revealing some bonus strategies that will help you get more traffic, leads, and sales, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned master affiliate marketer. This video is built for you. We're diving into details that include the affiliate membership levels, Spark, Core, VIP, and Core Annual. Also share personal insights and real-world examples of how these levels can boost your commissions from as little as $25 to as high as $500 per sale. So if you're ready to learn from the best team training strategies on the market, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. Now, hi, I'm John Solly, aka JJ Solly, an affiliate marketer just like hopefully you are. An SEO, I'm getting to be an SEO guru. All my videos are ranking through our team training, and someone who's been in the trenches of online business for years. I spent countless hours refining these systems, and I'm here today to share how affiliate mentor review team bonuses can be the solution you need to make money online reliably. My journey through the ups and downs of affiliate marketing has taught me the importance of building a supportive community and using the best team bonuses available. And trust me, what I'm about to share with you in just a few moments can change the game. Now, before I break down this system, I want to share a story that really motivates me and why I'm so passionate about affiliate marketing and why I've taken my game to the very next level. A few months ago, almost 6 months ago, my wife was involved in a serious accident. She got hit by a car moving over 45 miles an hour. That day changed our lives completely. Watching her fight through the recovery process has made me realize how fragile life is and how important it is to create a stable source of not only of passive income, but residual income as well. I knew I had to build something that would provide not only financial freedom, but also security for my family. As you can see, she's had many surgeries and many injuries. Again, she hit a car moving over 45 miles an hour, as you can see here, and she flew 25 feet and was knocked out for about 8 minutes. She's still fighting to even stand. She's still in a wheelchair. She's still in a bed. She's still 6 months later is still in a rehabilitation facility, and she's had amazing strides. But as you can see, we've only raised about $445 in this GoFundMe in 6 months. And I thank you for everybody who shares her story, who's reached out to her and reached out to me. And we've also raised some money at our personal job. But as you can see, the medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and additional expenses are far more than my family can handle. Even if you could just share the story, that'd be amazing. But what I'm trying to illustrate you is tomorrow is not promised. Anything can happen in this world. You could lose your job. You could get hit by a car. You could, anything can happen. So, you get fired. Anything can happen. So, it behooves you, and who wants to be working till you're 70, 80 years old, right? So now, let's dive into the affiliate mentor system, explore the membership levels available. The first and brand new, spanking new, it hasn't even got that new car smell, a new level smell, is affiliate mentor Spark. And you can see, I have a brand new member on my team. Cheryl Henner, shout out to you. Now, when Cheryl, with our help and her own following the team strategies, and she's been in the affiliate marketing game for a long time, so she has a team and she has a system. I'm sure we will get her through this cycle ASAP. There's spill over, there's spill under, etc., etc. But when she finishes this 6x6 and we help her, I'm sorry, this 2x2 with 6 positions, she'll make $50 over and over and over again every time she does this. But when she makes $50, we make $25. Same thing with you. When you finish your 2x2, you'll make $50 every single time. Now it could be hours, it could be weeks, it could be days, it could be months. It depends on you. But through these AI automation, it is as simple as possible. Also, it has a super low entry point. $25 can turn into $500 a day. Okay? So this is Affiliate Mentor Spark, and it's our newest system. Then we have Core, which is a recurring payment of $50 a month. And you earn money every single month, like somebody's paying for Netflix or somebody's paying a bill. You have residual bills. Wouldn't you want residual income? That's what Core is about. You could get started for $50 a month. Okay. The VIP Club is similar. It's a 2x2. It pays $500 and has unlimited potential. You can have unlimited amounts of these boards. When we finish this 2x2, that is another $500 in our pocket. And if somebody finishes their 2x2 that's on my team, I get a 50% check match. So I'll make $250. And guess what happens? When they finish, they go right back into a brand new board in this first position right here. So that's real spillover. Okay? And it's not 50 cents. Some people talking about you're going to make $4,000 without recruiting anybody and sit on your fat ass. Well, it's not happening. Okay? Not only that, but let me break out my handy dandy calculator, okay? Now, for $4,000 a month, you need 4,000 times 50 cents. I'm sorry, 4,000 people. 8,000 people times 50 cents, sorry, to make 4,000. That's it, 800. I don't know why my math is not mathing today. I know what I mean. See? 4,000 people. Are you really thinking 4,000 people are going to be spilled over to you? Come on. Meanwhile, on this, you make $500 every time you get 6. Divided by 6 is $83 a person, okay? And when you finish your own board, you get, and we help you, you make $500. When somebody on your team does, you make $250. And even $250 divided by 8 is $31.25. Not 50 cents. And again, when somebody finishes, that's a brand new board, okay? Unlimited money making potential. And the last one is VIP Club, and it works like, a Core Annual, okay? A Core Annual works like Core, okay? If you don't want to pay a subscription, $50 a month, okay, $50 a month times 12 is $600, okay? But they don't give you 1 year. They give you a bonus year. So 600 plus 600 is 1,200. Or you could pay $397 to upgrade to Core Annual, okay? Anytime you upgrade to Core Annual, you get $200. So if you upgrade with me, I get $200. And I get $20 for Core. So 200 plus 20, and guess what I do that? I don't go out, 200, let's clear. 200 plus 20 is 220, okay? Now, look what I do with this 220, okay? This is what I just did a few days ago. Hi, Traffic Authority is the, Affiliate Mentor is the front end for Traffic Authority, okay? This is my email from them. Thanks for your basic traffic purchase from Traffic Authority. Your traffic will start funneling soon, so keep an eye out. You get to pick where your traffic goes. Guess what? It costs exactly $220, and when somebody goes all in, I get $220, and I'm gonna put that right back in to my team. Okay? I'll talk about a little bit more about that later, right? Now, each of these membership levels are designed to help you climb the ladder of success in affiliate marketing, with costs carefully structured to match your potential earnings and the flexibility to scale from $25 to $500. This system ensures that you always have room to grow and the most important product of all, which is traffic. If you can't consistently get people to your offer, you're going to die in the water. You're going to struggle and you're going to work very hard to make money in this making money online industry. Okay? Remember, these levels are also a crucial part of accessing the super secret team bonuses I mentioned earlier that I'll get to in just a minute. Now our team is dominating YouTube, and I'm going to show you real-time examples of our team's YouTube rankings where our strategies have catapulted our videos right to the top. This isn't just a theory, it's proven results. Our team is out there dominating the search results, and you can be a part of this winning system, okay? Now I'm going to search for Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority. Just so you see it's legitimate. And this is incognito mode, okay? The first one is a post by Postcard Lifestyle, which is on our team. It's a playlist. Guess the second video, this first one is sponsored, it doesn't count, is a video I made a month ago, okay? Make Money Online with JJ. Here's another one I made a day ago, and there you see my wife again. Make Money Online with JJ. Another one, Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Brian Zittelman, he did a short the other day. He's been in the system for like 2 days, and he's already ranking with a short. 77 views, shout out to him for taking action. Another Postcard Lifestyle, Charles S. and Dukes, that's another member of ours. Brian Zittelman, this the same day, 4 views a day ago. Do you see Postcard Lifestyle? Do you see what I'm saying? I'm going to search for another term, okay? Affiliate Mentor Compensation Plan. Have you played Monopoly? You get properties, and then you put houses on them, then you put hotels on them. This is how you win the game, okay? We are dominating the YouTube for all these different search terms. Affiliate Mentor Compensation Plan. Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Another one. Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. There's another. Postcard Lifestyle. That's another one of our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Brian Zittelman, the guy I just told you about. 2 days, 1 or 2 days in the system, and he's already ranking. That's what happens. Every single video I put out ranks. And I'll show you the team system in just a minute, but I want to show you that this actually works, okay? Now, this is a team bonuses video. So let's get into the most exciting part of today's video, our exclusive team bonuses. When you join through our team, not only do you get access to top tier training, but you also unlock a whopping $15,000 in bonuses. And you can give these bonuses away to your team too. Yes, you heard me right. $15,000. It's $14,991, okay? Now, what do you get? First of all, you get customized SEO and YouTube ranking training. You get how to rank on YouTube and even Google with this system, okay? That includes all you need. I'm going to go back to the bridge page, okay? You get also you get into our rotator, our team rotator, and we'll build you a rotator. Meaning the first person gets with me, I'm going to take that 220 and I'll put it, and we're going to get leads, traffic, and sales from that all-in package. And then you will be getting the most of anybody else because it'll be just you and me at first. Does that make sense? You also get access to our Team Solly's training site and access to me. We will build your team and we will train your team. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training. And this is the type of stuff. And you'll get a page that nobody else has that will build you and brand you as a... So let's wrap this up. You've seen how Affiliate Mentor Team Bonuses is not just another review video. It's a blueprint for success in affiliate marketing. Our system with its multiple membership levels from Spark to VIP allow you to earn $25 to $500 per sale. We have the best team. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training in the entire industry. If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, don't wait. Text me at 775-460-7938. This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay, get with Jaden.